Hola a todos. Welcome to a new episode of our Spanish learning podcast.
Today, we have a very special challenge for you called Guess the Meaning. The rules are simple. Anna will say a word in Spanish, and we'll give you 3 seconds to guess what it means in English before I reveal the answer with an example sentence.
Are you ready? Let's start with level 1, the easy level. The first word is casa.
It means house. Mi casa es pequeña y bonita. Mi casa es pequeña y bonita.
The second word is agua.
It means water. Quiero beber un poco de agua. Quiero beber un poco de agua.
Word number 3, amigo.
It means friend. Luis es mi mejor amigo. Luis es mi mejor amigo.
Next word, familia.
It means
Family.
mi familia vive en Madrid. Mi familia vive en Madrid.
Last word in this level, gracias.
It means thank you. Gracias por tu ayuda. Gracias por tu ayuda.
Great job. Now let's make it a bit more interesting with the medium level.
Let's see how many you can get right.
The word is comer.
It means to eat. Me gusta comer pizza. Me gusta comer pizza.
The word is grande.
It means big. Este coche es muy grande. Este coche es muy grande.
Word number 8, ciudad.
It means city. Barcelona es una ciudad muy famosa. Barcelona es una ciudad muy famosa.
What about tiempo?
It has 2 meanings, time or weather. No tengo mucho tiempo hoy.
Hace buen tiempo hoy.
The last one here, libro.
It means book. Leo un libro en español. Leo un libro en español.
And now we've reached the final round, the hard level. These might be tricky. What does this mean? Escoba.
It means broom. Uso la escoba para limpiar el suelo. Uso la escoba para limpiar el suelo.
The next word is zanahoria.
It means carrot. La zanahoria es buena para la salud. La zanahoria es buena para la salud.
The next word is almohada.
It means pillow. Mi almohada es muy suave. Mi almohada es muy suave.
The next word is juguete.
It means toy. El niño juega con su juguete. El niño juega con su juguete.
Our final word today is mariposa. Can you guess what it means?
I'm not giving you the answer this time. Leave a comment below if you know the meaning of mariposa.
Let us know your score. Did you get 15 out of 15?
Well done, everyone. See you in the next episode.
Adios!